Understanding Logic in Python, Exercise 27 of Learn Python the Hard Way. Could someone explain Exercise 27 of Learn Python the Hard Way to me? Is it saying that assuming the left column of the table is true, is the answer true? E.g. if x equals y is not false, is x equals y true? Yes. But then, if x equals y is false and true, is x equals y true? No.
For each table, if you enter expression in left-hand column, the result is corresponding value in right-hand column. The table header shows the operator being explained. So, for example, if you enter not true as an expression, the result will be false. Edit. Geez Louise, look, it's really simple. For example, the AND operator table. This is all the table is trying to tell you. This is how the AND operator works. It takes two true or false values and returns a result based on how they combine. The table lists every possible combination of inputs and the result for each. It completely describes everything the operator can do. That's all it's trying to say. Similarly for the other operators. Etc. Edit 2. It might be easier if you think of some of these operators as electrical circuits. Indeed, this analogy is precisely how your computer is built. And is a sequential circuit, power on a wire running to switch A to switch B to a light bulb. The light bulb is on exactly and only when switch A is on and switch B is also on. Or is a parallel circuit, the wire runs to switch A to the light bulb, and also to switch B to the light bulb. If either switch is on, or if both are on, the light bulb is on. Is a pair of two-way switches. The light is on only if both switches are up or if both switches are down. Does that help?
It's a truth table. The operations described or and equal smiley face can all be considered as applying just to true and false. In that case, to describe the operator completely, you merely need to list all the possible inputs. So, for instance, the operator OR is defined as that completely explains what OR does to Boolean values. If you're interested, that wiki page actually lists all the possible Boolean binary operators.
I find the true heading a bit misleading. It should be value or result or similar. So, basically the value or result of true or false is true, second table, just like the value or result of 3 plus 5 is 8. It's like arithmetic, nothing more.
Truth tables are just like times tables. They empower you to find the result of a logical operation based on the inputs. In the analogy, multiplication gets replaced with conjunction, and, disjunction, or, etc. It may help you to think about some underlying attitudes of the truth table approach. The meaning of and, or, does not change based on context. This is radically different from natural English, where such statements as "say that again and I'll break your legs," and "are you gonna eat that or throw it in the trash?" The meaning of and, or, is influenced by their surroundings. A logical statement involving and, or, not, etc. is true or false, depending only on the truth or falsehood of the component statements. Any other meaning of the statements, or relationship between meanings, is irrelevant. Thus, 1 is equal to 1 or you're stupid is simple, true, and unproblematic, whereas in normal conversation it might provoke some objection. Based on these two presumptions, it's possible to say categorically whether any statement of the form A or B is true, using only information about whether the individuals A, B are true. This is what the truth table does. Hope this helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.